If you could explain to the people you purchased 35K boxes of Viagra to donate to the armed forces. Explain why. If the people don't even have geriatric fraudom for older people that you removed.
Lula, Viagra is used for various treatments. The governor of Rio Grande do Norte also bought. So don't come with this little story about buying Viagra.
This
which is used
one
for
I
treatments
want to see
as I
you
said the
answer.
first time, I'm going there. Mrs. over here, Mrs. over there, Mrs. Have I already
Explain.
stayed? Have I already stayed? Viagra is used for prostate
And
treatment.
only the armed
Do
forces
you
have
use
the right.
Viagra?
Why don't they distribute it for free to the people?
Hospitals provide treatment for that. Já expliquei.
Explica.
Já expliquei. O Viagra é usado para tratamento de próstata.
Ah, é? E só as forças
Você usa
Armadas-
Viagra?
E só as Forças Armadas têm direito. Por que não distribui de graça pro povo?
Os hospitais dão tratamento para isso.